Hello world, Mike Pridmore, Utility Service Agency. I'm here today with an engineered cementitious concrete repair product called Elephant Armor, and this mixture is a fiber-based concrete to be applied to concrete products you have out in the field, whether it's exposed rebar, tripping hazards on sidewalls, cracked foundations on transmission structures. And we've mixed up a batch here. We're ready to apply it. We're going to take it over and pour it on the actual problem spot. What we have here is a concrete curb type situation where we have some exposed rebar. We primed it. We're going to pour this out. As you can see, it can be done with or without a form. This product can be worked with a trowel or a magic squeegee that we can also provide you with. If you come over here, you will also see a tripping hazard. These type situations can be rectified with Elephant Armor. And if you'll come on down here, we can see something we did yesterday. That was put in about a 1/4 inch lift there, and you can see this flexural strength that we have with this Elephant Armor product. Again, Elephant Armor, Utility Service Agency, Bone Safety Science. Give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks. Here we are with our Elephant Armor repaired concrete. Remember, this is an engineered cementitious concrete. What we did is we came in and we made an overlay along the whole length. We finished this in smooth. We fixed a tripping hazard here that could be seen as something like a tripping hazard on the sidewalk. We came in and formed this area where the concrete was spalled off. We had exposed rebar. We formed it by hand, made it square with a trowel. We are complete. Contact Utility Service Agency if you have any questions. Thank you.